Visual acuity test for school students. Part 1. Introduction. School health is a service organized to promote the health of school-age children to be healthy and free from various ailments in order to eliminate problems and obstacles that will affect education. These activities include health services, school environment management, and health education, as well as building relationships between schools, homes, and communities. Eye measurement or visual acuity test is one of the health assessment activities in school health services. This is the duty of community health nurses to gauge student health status in their area of responsibility. Objectives 1. To screen school students for eye problems. 2. To solve the problem of abnormal vision of the students. Part 2. Equipment preparation. All students should have their eyesight test at least once a year. The eyesight test for children who can read numbers use the Snellen chart, while those who can't read numbers use the E-chart. In this video, the Faculty of Nursing, พิบูลสงครามราชภัฏ University, presents the eyesight test using the Snellen chart. The equipment is as follows. 1. A Snellen chart. 2. A pinhole of code. 3. A measuring tape. 4. A masking tape. 5. A pointer. Part 3. Site preparation. Examination room selection and preparation. The room for screening should be a room that is at least 6 meters or 12 feet wide and long. Choose the wall of the room that is not cluttered and well lit. Attach the Snellen chart on the wall where the fifth floor or 12 meters, 6 per 12. Law is that the eye level of all children's average height. Place one table and 2 chairs next to the location of the child being screened. Put masking tape on the floor at a distance of 6 meters or 12 feet from the Snellen chart that is attached at eye level. Each meter is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. At a 6-meter mark, have the students stand with their feet placed in a square frame and their heels at the 6-meter mark. The examiner should not stand to block the child, turn his or her back to the wall, and be able to see the child's face at all times during the examination. Part 4. Visual acuity test procedure. The visual acuity test involves the following steps. 1. Have the student stand 6 meters or 12 feet away from the Snellen chart in the prepared square, with the heels placed at 6 meters in position. 2. Start testing one eye at a time. Begin with the right eye. Use an iPad to cover the left eye without closing and squinting it. 3. Have the student slowly read the numbers, one by one, and from left to right. Begin from the top row down until they can't read the numbers anymore. 4. At the end of reading in an row, Look at the number showing the eyesight score mark at the end of row. Then make a note. For example, if the numbers are least up to row 7, the eyesight score is 6/6. 5. The last row of readable numbers is the row of numbers that being read correctly equal to or more than half of all numbers in that row. 6. Switch to have the left eye test using the same methods as the right one. 7. In case of any student has eyesight lower than normal or score lower than 6/6, we measure the eyesight by having the student look through the pinhole and read the same row that cannot be read. If the readings are correct, it means that the lower score is due to the wrong refraction caused by nearsightedness, farsightedness, or astigmatism. 8. If the student already has glasses, read numbers one eye at a time with the next eye first, and then repeat one eye at a time with the glasses on. Part 5. Recording the results. Example for recording results for students without glasses and with normal vision. Visual acuity. Right eye equals 6/6. Left eye equals 6/6 for students without glasses and with impaired vision. An eye exam must be measured using a pinhole. Visual acuity. Right eye equals 6/9. Left eye equals 6/9. Visual acuity with pinhole. Right eye equals 6/6. Left eye equals 6/6. For students with eyeglasses, take the eyesight with and without glasses and measure eyesight using a pinhole. Visual acuity. Right eye equals 6/9. Left eye equals 6/9. Visual acuity with pinhole. Right eye equals 6/6. Left eye equals 6/6. Visual acuity with glass. Right eye equals 6/6. Left eye equals 6/6. Part 6. Conclusion. Eyesight measurement is an important health assessment activity in school health services. Although this keen test is not a substitute for an ophthalmologist's diagnosis, it can help detect early vision abnormalities. This requires close collaboration from the homeroom teacher, the nurse teacher in charge of school health, the social medicine department, and the ophthalmology department.